Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Tired of juggling multiple remotes? Today, I'm going to show you how to program your RCA universal remote to your Roku TV Stick. It's super simple and saves you a ton of hassle. Let's dive in. Step 1. Preparation. First, make sure you've got your RCA universal remote, your Roku TV Stick plugged into your TV, and both devices powered on. You'll also need the RCA remote's code list, which usually comes in the manual. If you don't have it, don't worry, you can find it online. Step 2. Enter setup mode. To get started, press and hold the code search button on your RCA remote until the indicator light turns on. This means your remote is ready to pair. Step 3. Program the remote. Next, press the device button for TV or streaming device, depending on your remote model. Now, enter the Roku device code from the RCA code list. If the code is correct, the indicator light will turn off. Step 4. Test the connection. Time to test it. Use the remote to navigate the Roku menu. Try using the arrow keys or the power button. If it works, congratulations, you're all set. If not, don't worry, we can use the manual code search method. Step 5. Manual code search. For the manual code search, hold the code search button again, press the device button, and then repeatedly press the power button until your Roku TV Stick responds. Once it does, press the Enter or OK button to save the code. Conclusion. And that's it. Now you can control your Roku TV Stick with your RCA universal remote and say goodbye to remote clutter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.